Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Betty, owner and creator of Betty's Custom Design here on YouTube, Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram. Yes, this is the completed fabric covered fall journal. I actually had recorded a video where I done all of this stuff to it, and I don't know if I actually recorded the video, if I deleted the video, I don't know. I have no idea. I cannot find the video. So I'm just going to do a flip through with you real quick, and then this will be posted on my Etsy shop this evening. So let me get my glasses on, and then we'll just go through the journal. So I know that we had done the cover, done this area on the spine here, covered the spine. I know we had done all of that on video. And then what I've done is I put an eyelet in the front and back covers, and I used some of this beautiful like seam binding that Terry with Terry's Paper Treasure sent to me, and I will have her shop linked below. I'm not sure if she, I can't even talk. I'm not sure if she still has any in stock, but if she does, you definitely need to run and grab some. This stuff is amazing. And she had sent me several different colors, and this one is more like an ombre, and I thought it just went really well with the journal. So let's get right into it. Now, what I've done on the inside, I just have that in there with a little knot. I've got it glued down. I put a lace belly band. I didn't go all the way to the spine. I just barely missed it because I didn't want it to interfere with the foam. So this is just a lace belly band. And then I have just put a couple of things in there. This is just like a little journal type card. It says spice, and then it's got that on the inside. This is just a little flipping card. This is from some of the paper. I thought it was kind of cute to put in there, and it fit really well. And then I did ink, end up inking all of this up. So this is the first envelope that we have. And I just stuck a little journal card down in there. And this is from some of the paper that's we used in this journal. Now on the back, remember we had the two side tuck pockets. So in the smaller pocket, I have one of my little library cards from my digitals, and I've put coffee dyed paper on the back. And then these are just some little things out of my Etsy store that I put in there. So let's put those back in. And then in the back pocket here, you can see it kind of peeking out some. This is also out of my Etsy store. It is one of these little cards. This is out of the vintage background style paper. Love it. So I was going to do something with the back, but I didn't even want to do anything because the paper looked so pretty. So I just stuck that down in there. And then in the second envelope here, we have another like journal type card. This one opens up, and this is out of the paper that we used in the kit. And then on the back of that, if you remember, we had the fold up belly band. And so what I tucked behind it was just another card type thing from our kit that we used. And that's just sticking right down in there. And then these are just a couple of things out of my Etsy store as well. These are things that I absolutely love, and I thought they would be super cute to include. And they're just tucked right down in there. In this envelope here, we have got another one of the little fold-up cards. Okay, and then in the back of this one, remember this was our 3 stacked pockets that we've done. So this is out of my Etsy store. I believe I'm out of stock on these though. This is just like, it looks like a vintage time card type thing. I've got that tucked down in there. And I liked how tall it was. And then in the second pocket, these are some tickets that when you get it, whoever purchased it, you can tear these apart. These are in my Etsy store as well. Love them. And then another one of those little pieces like we had in the belly band. And then just a few more things from my Etsy store, like little tickets, vintage looking stuff, but I like the way that they looked in that pocket. In this envelope, we have a couple of journal cards. And then, let's see, in the back of this one, this was our side, our corner pocket there. So this is another journal card from the kit. And then this is just a few more things out of my Etsy store. I was having a little bit of fun putting all that stuff from my Etsy store in there. So that's why there's so much. And then in this one here, we have another journal card in this back envelope. And then on the back envelope, we have this belly band that, if you remember, it actually opens up. Let me open it here. It folds out. And then I just made this little tuck here to keep it closed. And then I stuck this is one of the Tim Holtz journal cards, but I really liked it, so I stuck that in there. Then on this back cover, this is one of those seed envelopes. And so I have put some like fall ribbon around the top of each part there. I just embellished it with, these are some of the like die cuts from this paper kit. These are some of my fall word labels. And this is just a tag that I had made. I may have done a video on it. I'm not real sure. I can't remember. And so there's that. And then also included with this journal, this here is just an envelope or a little paper bag, and it's got all kinds of the leftover paper that I have been using. And then in this one, it's kind of the same thing, but this has got more, some of the cutouts, different things that I had planned to use in the journal and then ended up not using. But I wanted to include that in the journal as well. So there it is, guys. It will be listed in my Etsy store. I don't know which one will happen first. I don't know if the video will upload or if it will be listed first, but either way, I will link the Etsy and YouTube together so that you guys can check it out. So run on over there, grab this, pick it up. For whoever, if someone orders tonight and purchases it tonight, it will go out tomorrow via priority mail. So I do know that. But if you have any questions about anything, guys, let me know. And I am so sorry that I could not find, I don't know what I done with the video where I embellished all of this. I'm really aggravated because that was a lot of work. But anyway, thanks so much, guys, for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful evening. Bye, guys.